Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to Credit Karma. This is helpful if you want to track your balances, payments, and overall credit activity all in one place. And the whole process only takes a few minutes. First, open the Credit Karma app on your phone or go to the Credit Karma website on your computer and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Once you're logged in, head to your main dashboard. From there, look for the section that shows your accounts or credit overview. This is usually labeled something like accounts, credit, or linked accounts depending on the version you're using. Next, find the option to add or link a new account. Tap or click on that option, then choose credit card when you're asked what type of account you want to add. After that, search for your credit card issuer from the list or type the name into the search bar. When you find it, select it and enter the same username and password you use for your credit card's online account. Credit Karma will then securely connect to your card issuer and sync your information. This may take a moment. Once it's done, your credit card should appear on your dashboard with details like your balance, credit limit, and payment history. If you don't see your card right away, give it some time to update or try refreshing the app. You can also check that your login information was entered correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card to Credit Karma. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.